Given that integration ln x by x square limits are from 1 to a is equal to 2 by 5, show that a equal to that much. How do you do this sum means? See, initially you need to integrate this one. Once you integrate, place the limits. After that, whatever answer you got, equate it to 2 by 5. Then make a the subject, you should get this one. Is it clear? So step 1, let us integrate that. So that is integration of ln x by x square from 1 to a dx. Okay. First, to integrate this, what I do is, I take this x square to the top. So what will it become? ln x x power minus 2 dx. Now, I have to integrate this one, and you need to analyze that it is a product of ln x and x power minus 2. Whenever you want to integrate a product, you should make use of integration by parts. Clear? Integrating a product means integration by parts, and the by parts formula is integration of u dv by dx is equal to uv minus integration of, here it is u, you will get here du by dx. Here it is dv by dx, here you will get v dx. This is a formula, okay. Now, I need to equate these two. When I equate, the doubt arises that which one shall I take for u? Shall I take this one to be u or this one to be u is the question, okay. That is cleared by the word isolate. Here ln x is logarithm, so L. X power minus 2 is algebra, so A. So out of the given two letters, whichever letter comes first in this word, that should be taken for u. Clear? Whichever letter comes first, that should be taken for u. Here L comes before A. So L should be taken for u. So u equal to ln x, and the left out one will be dv by dx. Okay. Now, take d by dx on both sides. So what you get, du by dx is equal to differentiation of ln x is 1 by x. Here send dx to the other side. So dv equal to x power minus 2 dx. Now do the integration on both sides. This cancel out. You get v. Integration of x power n. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this will be minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. By minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. To simplify this, what I do, I take minus to the top. So it is minus x power minus 1. Okay. Now, replace them in this. So this will become now u into v. So ln x into minus x power minus 1. Minus integration of v is this one into du by dx is 1 by x. So if this one also I simplify, I take x power 1 to the top, it will become x power minus 1. Okay. So du by dx is x power minus 1 dx. Now this will become minus ln x x power minus 1. This minus will come out, making it plus. Integration of, now x power minus 1 and x power minus 1, what will it result in? Bases are same, you will add the powers. Minus 1 plus minus 1 will be x power minus 2. Okay. So x power minus 2 dx. Now minus ln x power minus 1 plus, what is integration of x power minus 2? We already did here. I'll directly make use of the result in that. That is minus x power minus 1. So that is minus ln x power minus 1, here plus minus minus. Okay. Now we have integrated it. Integration is completed. Now apply the limits. Given limits are 1 to a. So 1a. First upper limit minus lower limit. So put upper limit, what do I get? Minus ln a power minus 1 minus a power minus 1. Minus, when I put the lower limit 1, I get here ln 1. ln 1 is 0. So 0 into anything, gone, 0. Minus 1 power minus 1. Okay, next. I will take a power minus 1 common in this, or else minus a power minus 1 I will take common. So here left with ln a plus 1. Okay. 1 power anything is 1, so minus of minus plus 1 I get. So this is the result I got after taking the limits. Now this thing is equal to 2 by 5, given it is. So equate it to 2 by 5. Next, now you need to make a the subject. To do that, subtract 1 such that this cancel out. So minus a power minus 1 ln a plus 1 is equal to 2 by 5 minus 1. How much will you get? Minus 3 by 5 you will get. I cancel out negative on both sides. Now I make this a positive. How can I make that a positive? By taking it down. So ln a plus 1 by a is equal to 3 by 5. Okay. I should make a the subject. So cross multiply, what do I get? 5 times of ln a plus 1 is equal to 3a. To make a the subject, divide by 3 on both sides. So this cancel out. So we got a equal to 5 by 3 times of ln a plus 1. That is what we had to get, and we got that. Okay.